Hello and welcome to Trading ABCD, part of our series of educational videos. Today I would like to share with you ICX BTC analysis, this pair. There is a reason. I will explain why I am providing this analysis. Please follow the channel. You will be always we will be always sharing such kind of educational content to get our signals and to get our trades and to learn more. Please join us at tradingabcd.net. We still offer till the moment we are in 21st of January. We still offer also the trial period as well. So let's start with ICX BTC. Why I choose this? Because I saw the last few days it started to trend up. Also I have my own alerting system. Actually, I'm using TradingView to get some kind of specific alerts. I will teach you how now and why I choose this one and how I will be looking for a trade for this one. So let's start with this. This is the daily chart. The daily chart. First, I am telling you why I am checking ICX BTC or why I am analyzing ICX BTC. Actually, for the reason that I start getting alerted that ICX BTC is breaking through downtrend, breaking through daily downtrend. What I do usually to decrease the time I'm spending monitoring and checking the charts is setting my own alerts using TradingView. So I go through many coins and I check, for example, this coin, it was downtrending since a long time. So I always draw this downtrend. So here we have like the daily close, daily close, daily close. Here we have obvious downtrend, as you can see here. Also, you can see here. Also, we can see here. So this is strong or tough resistance, strong or tough resistance. Many times or several times in before, we could break through, but we couldn't have any daily close above this trend. So today I got alerts that that ICX BTC is breaking through this resistance. Usually you can right click on this and you can add alert, and you can click once per minute, for example, or once per bar, and when it's crossing up and you create your alert, and then you will get alerted on your mobile phone and on your desktop, your terminal, whatever. So you will get alerts. Today I got alerts. You see, we start getting the alerts now. So I got the alert that ICX BTC is breaking through. Accordingly, I will start analyzing ICX BTC. So as we said first, we have chosen this coin because it's breaking through a daily resistance. We still have no confirmation. We are waiting this daily close, but it's time to check. It's time to check because usually majors and big caps start moving very well. So we don't want to miss the next one. So we start analyzing this ICX BTC pair. As I always recommend, we start with the high time frames, with the weekly time frame. So here, this is 2017, 18. There was crazy moves. We focus on the recent period. We can see here there is obvious weekly support. You can see here there is obvious weekly support. Once we touch it, it became resistance. Here also we have some kind of weekly support. You can consider this level or this level. It's still so far from current values. Let's continue zooming in. Here we have clearly support, then it turns into resistance 3-4 times. So this is also an obvious level, and let's zoom in to detect the levels, and I can see here there is also clear level. Here you see here this weekly close. Here it became support breakthrough, then it turned into resistance. So this is the key: weekly levels. We can also consider this level as well, so there is potential reversal here, also not to forget this level as well, this weekly level as well. So we have potential reversal play here. Now let's zoom into the daily, So these are the weekly levels. So by looking to the daily, we can also add some other levels also. We can use different color for daily. Let's use, for example, this color. This is for daily. And I don't see any other previous or obvious level. Maybe we can add something around here. Around here, maybe this will act as a resistance here, fake break, fake out, resistance. So that's it. These are the main levels I will be looking at. Yellow are key SR levels on the weekly, and the orange ones are based on the daily time frame. Now, as we said, we had a downtrend, daily time frame based the downtrend, sorry. We had this downtrend, and the coin today is breaking through this downtrend. So what I will be looking for, so I will be looking for close above this level, successful retest, then I am okay to long this one, targeting the upper daily and weekly resistance levels, So first, I will be waiting the daily close. Second, I will mark this zone as my entry zone. So this is the retest targeted zone. Here I will be buying. You can see here support. So here it became resistance. Here resistance, we break through. So it should be acting as a support. I'm okay to wait 1, 2, 3 days, 7 days, 10 days. I'm okay. I will just wait till we have the successful retest. If it continue to go up, then I will wait for the other level to be flipped into support. No FOMO. The market is here. The coins are here. Every time I hear someone telling that this time is different, no, there is no something called this time is different. Just stick to your rules, stick to your risk management, and then you will protect yourself from the high volatility, especially on the low time frames. No need to FOMO based on 1 hour or 2 hours or even 4 hours candle. Actually, we can look to the daily and the weekly, and we can have very clear idea. Now I will be looking for some kind of confluence with moving averages. Here it's not trending, so the moving averages will not help that much, but I will see if any kind of moving average, the key moving averages, was acting as a strong resistance, and if we break through or not. This is why I'm looking, because what I am telling is, if the coin is ranging like this, so the moving averages actually in this case will be always interacting. There is no clear interaction between the price and the moving averages when the coin is ranging like this. But when I have trending coin, so I will have moving averages acting as a support, some moving averages, some EMAs, MAs, whatever. So they will be acting as a support, and the price will be, let me use another color. So maybe the price will be acting with those levels. So MAs works best. Okay, maybe this one is not very clear. I will explain more clear example. Let me repeat again. So when the coin is trending up like this, so usually the MAs, we have MAs here, will be acting as a support, resistance, and they are smoothing the move. So this is MA1, for example, and there is, for example, MA2 here. Maybe this is a higher time frame MA. There is MA3. Maybe there is EMA also for the lower time frame. Also, maybe you can use. So you can use the MAs as a good entries for pullbacks like this, But when the market is ranging, it's not trending up, so MAs are not helping. So this is still not trending, but I am looking for any breakthrough, any key MA which was acting as a resistance. So here I turn on my key MAs, which are the MA 150 and 200. This is only 100 and 200, and this is very nice finding. I can see that MA 100 was acting as a strong resistance. You can see MA 100. Here there is fake out. We closed one day, then the next day directly we lost it. Also here I can see few days interacting with it, and today we are above MA 100. Actually, ICX BTC was trending below MA 100. You can see here we break through, retest as a support, and this is the good point to long this one. Here we lost it. We tested as a resistance. Also, we got rejected by MA200. So we can see this coin is respecting MA100 and MA200 and respecting the weekly levels and daily levels. You can see here very obvious price action. So I will use MAs. I will use MAs just for confirmation. And this coin, as we were telling, it was trending below. It was going down below MA100 since 25th of April 2019. So it's almost 1 year or 8-9 months below MA100, and today we might get the first daily close above MA100. So this is also another confluence. This is also another reason why we should consider to long this one, to long this coin. So maybe we can consider also, if you like, to some kind of front running. If we had strong close above MA100, so maybe you may consider the entry at MA100 itself. Till the moment I don't see strong entry, strong candle, full body candle like this. I don't see full body candle like this. So I will be aiming the downtrend and the weekly level. So this is good entry for me. It is around, let's draw it down. It's around between this level and this level. Let me use the green line for my entry, and I will make it. So my entry will be something around this zone, something around this zone, and I will be placing my stop loss. I will be hiding my stop loss below this with timeout, with some kind of timeout. Also, I will use 3 commas and I will set some timeout. Then first I am planning my trade. So I will be targeting this zone, this zone. This is my first target zone. Why I target this zone? Because this is weekly SR level, also MA200 is trending down. So till I reach my area, so to MA200 will be coming to this zone. So I'm expecting strong resistance here from both the weekly level and MA200. So this will be my targeted zone, the first target zone. So if I long this zone, this area, I am willing to target, let's say around here, 12%. I am calculating now my R2R. Does it worth to risk or to enter this trade or not? Okay. So my first target will be MA200 or this weekly SR zone. And if I get stop loss, if I get stepped out, then I will be risking, I will be risking around 3%, 3.5. So R2R point of view, this is around 3. Let's calculate it. This is around R2R 3.7. Anything above 2 is good. Above 3 is very good actually. Above 4, that is perfect R2R. So this R2R is good enough for me. I will use some kind of timeout. So maybe there will be some slippage also, maybe below this week. Even if I widened my stop loss still here, so I still have more than 2.7 R2R, which is also good. So I verified my entry. I verified my R2R. Then let's continue planning the trade. So next step is looking for other targets. So in case we break through MA200 and this weekly level, so my next target will be here, 23%. So this is logical setup for me. I will not FOMO. I will wait the daily close. If I see strong daily close, then I will be looking for the entry at the retest. I will enter this this zone, which is the retest of this downtrend plus maybe MA100 plus this weekly level. So I have very good confluence here, very good confluence for entry. I have acceptable or good R2R. So this could be a good trade. Again, this is not financial advice. I am not telling you to trade this. This is not signal. I'm providing educational content. You can learn. You can see how to plan your trade, how to calculate, how to see if this is going well or not. Not to forget that you will need to calculate the position size. So this is 4% loss. So let's say if I lost 4% in my trade, I'm not willing to lose 4% of my trading capital. So I will not go all in. We never go all in. Let's say if your standard is to trade using 1% rule, or you are always used to risk 1% of your total capital. So in such stop loss 4%, you will be able to go with 25% of your cap in this trade. So if you lost 4% on this position, actually you will be losing 1% from your total trading capital. If your trading capital is very big, maybe, So maybe you can consider even smaller position size because of the liquidity issue. Anyway, this is reversal play. This is reversal. This is not trending. It's not trending up yet. This is reversal. So I don't recommend to risk more than 1% in your cap in such kind of trades. While if it was, for example, let's say if it was uptrending, so in uptrending always, as we said, the trend is your friend. So in such kind of trades, if I could buy such kind of pullbacks, I'm okay to risk 2, 3, 4% of my trading cap is okay because it's already uptrending on the high time frames. But this one is still downtrending. This is reversal. This is potential reversal trade. So I'm not willing to risk more than 1% of 1% more than 1% of my total trading capital. And if I am trading, for example, with 40 bitcoins, so 25% is 10 bitcoins. Also, I am not willing to put 10 bitcoins in such position because it doesn't have the enough liquidity. If I got my stop loss to market sell 10 bitcoins, it will create some kind of slippage. So maybe I will go with 4 or 5 bitcoins. This is just example, Don't take the numbers serious. Sorry. But it's important to understand how you how you plan your trade, how to verify your entry, verify your targets, and also verify the R2R, plan your position size. Then you can go or you can ignore the setup. For example, let's say example, if this next resistance was here, let's say it was here, and stop loss was here. So, and I tried to calculate the R2R in this case, and I find out that this is my stop loss and this is my target, and I find out R2R is only 1.6. So I will not be looking to enter such kind of trade. But since R2R is good enough, above 3 or 2.7 something, whatever, so it was good enough for me, for my standards, to enter this trade. Maybe I will place my stop loss here. Maybe I will place it below the daily close with some kind of timeout. I will wait the daily close also. You can set up timeout on 3 commas. Maybe I will place it here. So I'm not giving you the exact stop loss here. I'm just suggesting you an ideas. Placing stop loss is also another big topic. I'm willing to teach this in details to Trading ABCD members. You can join us. Also, we are still, as I said, we are still offering the trial period. So this was the analysis for ICX BTC. I hope it was useful for you. I hope it was useful for you. Thank you. Have a nice evening. Enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And maybe if you would like to join TradingABCD.net, as we still offer the trial period. Also, we are teaching the strategies for the golden members, so you can always join as a golden member, so you can learn the strategies, not only getting the signals. Thank you, and have a good evening from Trading ABCD.